Hey guys, I'm Ashley Moore, the McQuarrie County 4-H Program Assistant, and today is Earth Day, so I thought I'd give you a little quick rundown on the Earth and its surface. About 71% of the Earth is covered in water. 96% of that is held in our oceans. So today we got a little project. You just need a plate and some coffee filters, just your plain white coffee filters. And if you have access to a spray bottle, that might come in handy. We need a green marker and a blue marker. Just your regular Crayola works just fine. Whereas 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, that's roughly a little less than 3/4. So to get that, you can fold it in half, fold it in half again, and when you unfold it, you have the lines here for your pie quartered shape. And just get your blue marker for your water and start coloring. It doesn't have to be precise because we're going to spray it once we get both colors on there, and the water is actually going to blend it together. You can leave some white spaces in there. I have one over here I have started. Go ahead and show it to you. You can see where there's white spots, and I've got some green filled in around the blue. Well, once you get this far, you take your spray bottle and you just give it a few squirts. You don't want to completely saturate it, like have it standing in water or anything. So what you'll do is, once you get it to this point, you can already tell that the colors are bleeding and it's spreading out on the paper. Paper's absorbing what color wasn't in the white. You set that outside, let it dry, and then you will have your own water and earth colored surface. This one's not completely dry yet, but it'll show you. There you go, your own Happy Earth Day. Thank you guys. Make sure you comment and let us know how yours turned out. We'll be glad to see it. Happy Earth Day. Have a good day.